In this video, I'll use the Maths is Fun website to explore the most common triangles and quadrilaterals, and I'll also be looking at angles. I've fired up the Maths is Fun website and I'll choose Geometry and then scroll down to Plane Geometry and I'll select the Interactive Triangles tool. I can view this slightly larger, and on the left are the most common types of triangle. For example, the equilateral triangle looks like this, and however I try to change it, the three sides are always equal and the three angles stay fixed at 60 degrees. So all I can do with this triangle is to make it bigger and smaller and spin it around. The isosceles triangle is a bit more interesting. As you can see, two of the angles are equal as well as two of the sides. And by the way, the equal sides are always opposite the equal angles. In this case, the equal angles are at B and C, and the equal sides are the opposite sides, that is AC and AB. Next, a right angle triangle. And however I play around with this triangle, one of the angles, the one at A, is always 90 degrees. If I select the acute option, all the angles are acute, which means they're all less than 90 degrees. And to see an obtuse angle triangle, click this option. So now the angle at A will always be obtuse, that is, between 90 and 180 degrees. And by the way, at the very top is the scalene triangle. Let's look at that. It's special for not being special at all, really. All the angles are different, and similarly, all of the sides are of a different length. So that covers the three-sided polygons, the triangles. Let's increase the number of sides to 4 and look at the quadrilaterals. I'll select the Interactive Quadrilaterals option and make it slightly larger. A nice feature of the quadrilateral tool is that you can display the angles and, if you wish, the diagonals. I'll take them off for now and just leave the angles displayed. And I'll start with the parallelogram. The parallelogram can take many different forms, but there are some properties that remain fixed. As you can see, the two pairs of opposite sides are equal in length, and they're also parallel, and the two pairs of opposite angles are also equal. A square is much more fixed. All four sides are equal and all the angles are 90 degrees. All I can really do is change its size, and of course I can spin it around. The rectangle is a bit like the square but stretched out, so that two of the sides are longer than the other two. And like the square, all four angles are 90 degrees. The rhombus is really a pushed out square. All four sides are equal, but the angles are not fixed at 90 degrees. And as you can see, two pairs of opposite angles are equal. A kite looks like this. Two equal shorter sides and two equal longer sides. The equal sides are not opposite each other but adjacent to each other. And you can see that one of the pairs of opposite angles are equal, in this case at B and D, but not the other pair. And there's another quadrilateral that I haven't mentioned. In the US it's known as a trapezoid. In the UK it's known as a trapezium. And you might like to have a play with this shape and try to work out its properties. And that's triangles and quadrilaterals.